What's up, everyone? Back on another build overview. This one definitely turns heads everywhere you drive. I'm so excited I got to experience driving something like this. It's definitely super fun to drive. It makes all the right noises and looks badass. Let's check it out. Why is this thing on this channel? Well, because it's got an LS, obviously. And normally I would say you just put it in with a bunch of Holley parts and Holley this and that. This one, not so much. So this one we've got Corvette LS1, Corvette accessory drive, custom set of headers, Precision 76, air to water intercooler. And other than that, it's pretty much stock. Running on a Holley computer, running the Holley Dash, Porsche transaxle, and other than that, it's pretty basic, I guess. I mean, it's cool because it's in here. Makes all the right noises when you drive, but runs and drives awesome, just like a Corvette would with a turbo on it, but in something a lot cooler. So let's get in here, maybe take it for a drive. I don't know if there's anything that I can answer you guys might have questions on. Heat exchanger is down in this corner down here. Got a radiator in both sides back here, and wastegate and exhaust from the turbo go right down there. So I'm sure everyone's got questions, but hopefully I explained most of it. I'm sure most people kind of get the gist of it. LS1 stock, put Porsche transaxle, put turbo, make cool noises. So let's fire this thing up and go for a drive. So I can't really drive this one and hold a camera and do fun stuff, so you'll just kind of have to be on the back window to hear cool turbo noises in a LS powered Lamborghini. Obviously showing all the normal stuff we would have to watch on a turbo car on the Holley Dash. Air, fuel, and what the closed loop is doing, boost, all that good stuff. Intake air temps. So we're using a X Max in this. This Porsche transaxle is that it doesn't have a vehicle speed. So we're using a GPS for the speedo, and then I'm using a ABS ring on the hub for non-driven speed. One kind of cool feature of these cars is they have little wing vents in the back that open up at 55 and close at 30. So with the Holley, I'm actually using an output, two outputs actually, and I'm using 2 linear actuators from Dakota Digital instead of the factory units that would have come in the Lamborghini. This allows me to set preset heights using the Holley outputs, so I can tell these things to open whenever using an advanced table. So I have them opening under boost and over 55 and all kinds of fun stuff. But obviously using it for boost control and stuff like that you would typically use that for. You know, like I said, the thing runs and drives great. It's basically like a stock Corvette. You know, it runs and idles at whatever 700-800. Yeah, that's really about it. It's nothing. It's super cool, but you know, nothing really too fancy, you know, motor-wise or anything like that. Just an LS and a Lambo. So obviously not something you see every day. Boost-wise, right now this thing's running, I think, 10 pounds. It's basically running on. It's just running on spring. Turbo noises are extra loud in the car with the motor sitting right behind you. So that's fun. Get some good pops and bangs at night. Get little fireballs. Yeah, I don't know. That's about it on this one. I mean, it's super cool. I couldn't help but make a little video about it. It's obviously something you don't see every day, and I don't know how many more I'll see of these. So, if you guys like this video, if you like any of the other videos, you guys got questions on these swaps, feel free to hit us up.